In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play first person in Ark Ascended on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can play Ark Ascended in first person on any platform, including PlayStation 5. It is a little bit confusing to do this, so this is why a lot of people don't know how to do it from the get-go. In order to access first person, you have to press down on the touchpad. So if you are on your PlayStation 5, press down on the touchpad and make sure that you hold it down. This will bring up this radio menu where you have a bunch of settings. Now, using your left joystick, point it towards the bottom left corner until you highlight toggle first person, or rather toggle third person. So you have to highlight this option here on this radio menu. Once you highlight this option, you can let go of the joystick and the touchpad, and it will select this mode, allowing you to toggle between first and third person. So now your weapons are going to appear here, and you will be having the view as if you are the actual character moving around and so on. If you are on a different controller, instead of the touchpad, you will be pressing down select, but the idea is the same. You press down select until you see the radio menu, and then you use the joystick to highlight any of these options. And of course, you can toggle many other things on and off: HUD, names, dyno groups, dyno camera, extended HUD, and orbit camera. So you can freely switch between first and third person camera at any point. Just press down on the touchpad and then highlight the option here from the radio menu that appears on the middle of your screen. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.